The basics of affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is a great way to start making money on the internet. That's why it's important to make sure that you pick the right program so that you can make money right away. Here are some tips to make sure that you are a success with affiliate marketing. Learn more, visit link in description. The first thing you need to do is to think about what you want to do. A lot of people jump into affiliate marketing to make money, so they try to make sure that they get into a business where they are sure they'll make money. However, that is not always a smart idea. After all, you will have to spend a lot of time with this topic, and if you don't have a passion for it, you're not going to do as well as if you chose something you were passionate about. Therefore, pick something that you enjoy. Your passion for it will be contagious. Not only do you need to pick something you'll enjoy working with, you need to make sure you pick the right company to work with. You want to make sure that the company you join up with is a reputable one. If you choose a reputable company, people will be more likely to buy your products. If you choose a badly reviewed company, you are going to have to fight the company's reputation. That will make your life more difficult. You have to check on the compensation structure as well. What percentage of the sale will be yours, and what will the product creator keep? How often are you paid? These are the questions you need to know the answers to before you agree to be an affiliate. When you know when you are going to get paid, you can spend all your time working on making sales. You need to read any agreement that the product owner wants you to agree to. For instance, if the product owner only wants you to sell his or her products, that might be a problem for you. You need to be able to diversify if you choose, and if you can only sell one thing, that might cut into your success. Learn more, visit link in description. Another thing you need to make sure of when you are getting into affiliate marketing is to make sure that you learn to market your product. If you spend all your time working on your site, you aren't going to be getting the word out about your product. You are not the only affiliate out there, so you need to have something unique which sets you apart from the other affiliates. You can do this by being unique in your internet marketing. That means starting blogs, using social media and other internet techniques. Being an affiliate marketing pro is not the easiest thing to do in the world, but it is definitely a possibility for you, if you stay focused. Use the tips in this article to help you really get the feel for what you need to do to be a success in this field. Learn more, visit link in description.